What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the messenger notifications not working issue in hyperos. So to fix this issue, first of all open and close the messenger app 2 to 3 times. So open the app, go to recents and then close the app, and after doing it 2 to 3 times it will help you to fix the messenger notifications issue. But if you're still facing the issue, then open settings. Now in settings, tap on sound and vibration. Now in sound and vibration, tap on do not disturb, and here you will see a do not disturb button on the top. So if this button is enabled, then you will not receive any reminder for incoming call and notifications. So make sure to turn this button off, and after turning off this button it will fix the messenger notifications not working issue. Now if you are still facing the issue, then the last solution is try updating the messenger app. So for that, open Play Store, go to the search bar and search for messenger app. Now if you have not updated the messenger app to the latest version, then here it will show a update option. So tap on update, and after updating the notifications issue will be 100% fixed. So that's how you can fix the messenger notifications not working issue in hyperos. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.